Just a short video showing you the memory RAM on an iMac 2011 27-inch. As you can see, it's facing flat on the table, and underneath here is where the access for the RAM. So what you need to do is undo that, and that one. There's 3 screws here. It's come away. And so basically the RAM's underneath here. What you need to do is pull that tab and there you go. So when you're replacing it, just put that back in there. You've got to hear it click. It's best to use 2 fingers, one on the left, one on the right. And that's you done. And then just put the screws back in there.